It's a 335 twin turbo.
BMW.
Go ahead.
2010 335 twin turbo BMW.
You got a smoking deal on it? How am I gonna make a video of it? Okay, whatever.
It's alright, man.
It's all good. It's all good, Andrejka. Nice car. We're going to a Walmart parking lot right now. We're gonna park where the lighting is so we can make some nice videos of the car, of the RX-7 and the BMW 335R. 335R. I always say the R because I'm always used to saying that shit. You know, it's a BMW 335i twin turbo. Twin turbo. There's the Andrejka. He is the main guy of the car. He's the owner.